Boats and ships have since millennia developed alongside humankind and are today an integral part of modern commercial and military systems. Over 100,000 vessels carry billions of tons of cargo and millions of passengers every year. Modern ships have a lifespan of about 25 to 30 years before they become obsolete due to corrosion, metal fatigue, and a lack of parts, rendering them uneconomical to be commercially operated. Modern ships are produced almost exclusively from sheets of steel, riveted and welded together. A significant amount of the components that go into the building of a ship are manufactured using very high-grade materials. More than 99% of all materials salvaged during the shipbreaking process are either reused, reprocessed, or recycled. This method of disposal is popularly known as ship recycling in a green way. The Alang Ship Recycling Yard, located on the western coast of India in the Gulf of Cambay, is the largest ship recycling yard in the world. Administered by the Gujarat Maritime Board, the Alang Ship Recycling Yard boasts of an illustrious and glorious history. Thousands of ships from all over the world find their final resting place here. Spread across 10 kilometers in about 200 plots, the yard carries out ship recycling activities, employing directly and indirectly over 150,000 people. With a bare minimal consumption of energy, millions of tons of steel every year are generated for reuse at the Alang Ship Recycling Yard. From an ecological point of view, it amounts to savings of huge amounts of energy and also of precious mineral reserves like coal, petroleum and other natural resources. The Gujarat Maritime Board successfully commissioned the landfill infrastructure in less than a year upon a Supreme Court recommendation in 2004. The ship recycling process itself is an eco- and environment-friendly industrial activity. The Alang Ship Recycling Yard is also naturally blessed with a high tidal range and a gentle slope of seafloor with a firm ground. This allows the ships to be beached virtually at the threshold of the plots. Infrastructure at the Alang Yard comprises an administrative building, a fire station building, a safety training institute, a guest house, road facilities, sanitation units, electrification facilities, a dedicated water supply line, fully equipped hospitals and an emergency 108 ambulance service. Significant measures have also recently been undertaken to help facilitate expansion of the Alang Ship Recycling Yard. Besides enhanced road connectivity, the addition of a large truck parking facility and a labour housing project. The Alang Ship Recycling Yard oversees and ensures strict compliance to the framework of regulations as laid out by the government, professional bodies, the Supreme Court of India and the National Code for Shipbreaking 2013. It soon aims to achieve compliance to international regulations on safety and environment management as well. Periodic training programs with an emphasis on safety and security in work methods have created awareness among the workforce. The number of accidents incurred on the job have reduced drastically in recent years. The Gujarat Maritime Board is in the process of sensitizing personnel and creating a heightened awareness of waste management systems on a plot-level basis. This would involve the improvement of floor properties by way of providing a solid-cum-elastic surface. This will not only prevent oily waste seeping below the subsurface and leaking into intertidal zones, but will also stop any oil from permeating into tidal waters and open seas. Towards this, The government of Japan and the government of Gujarat have joined hands to upgrade the existing facilities at Alang. A memorandum of understanding has been signed between them, which focuses on technology transfer and financial assistance from Japan to the Gujarat government to assist in the upgrading of operations at Alang so as to meet international standards. This is a part of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, a larger partnership between the Japanese and Gujarat governments. Under this plan, Japan will address the environmental implications of shipbreaking in Alang with cutting-edge technologies and will also develop a marketing strategy amongst the Western world as well as other ship-owning countries. The project aims to augment Alang as a world-class ship recycling hub, estimated to be the final resting place for more than 60% of the world's aging fleets.